Going up. Hey, Matt. Feel safe?
Safe enough.
Alright. It is really quiet, you know? There's Lahaina. No, that's Kaanapali. Lahaina over there.
Wow.
Yeah, you can see us, I think.
Wow, look how blue the water is, dude. It's like they dye it.
We're going up 1,200 feet of line. Yeah, this is worthwhile doing.
It's amazing that it takes one boat to
Yeah.
get us up this high. Wow.
Yeah, see, the big island, you can't see it because it's back behind those mountains.
Behind the mountains?
Yeah.
How long do you think we're going to be up there?
They said 9 minutes.
9?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah.
I bet you they let us go a little longer.
They might.
It's not like they're really busy.
Well, look at the great view of Lahaina. I'm going to stop it and I'm going to